Hello everyone, myself Dr. Hemakumar. In this video, I will be discussing about tokens, keywords, identifiers, constant, variables used in C++. Tokens in C++. Tokens are also as a character sets. Token is a basic elements of a programming language. They are considered as a building block of programming language. They are used to form words, numbers, expressions. The number of characters available depends on computer on which the program is run. The character sets used in C++ are grouped in the following categories. First is letters. In the letters, uppercase letters from A to Z and lowercase letters small a to small z. It is a entirely different. Capital and lower letters are used. It's a case sensitive. Secondly, numerical digits from 0 to 9 is used. And thirdly is a special characters. Special characters like period, colon, asterisk, tilt, equal, open bracket, number sign, a double quotation, ampersand, single quotation, slash, black slash, vertical bar, closing bracket, percentage sign, colon, comma, plus sign, dollar symbol, less than sign, open bracket, left parenthesis, underscore, exclamatory mark, minus sign, caret, greater than symbol, closing bracket, right parenthesis, semicolons, and white space, which are the used in a C++. Form feed, blank space, cartridge return, horizontal tab, new line, backspace, vertical tables are also a character sets used in C++. Keywords. Keywords are nothing but a reserved words of C language. All the keywords do not have a predefined meaning which cannot be altered by a programmer. All the keywords in C are written in lowercase letter. They serve as a building blocks of programming statements. Some key list of the keyword in C are as follows: auto, break, case, char, constant, continue, default, do, double, default, else, enumerated, external, float, for, go to, if, integer, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, structure, switch, type define, union, unsigned, wide, volatile, while. These all the keywords are also used in C++. Identifiers. Identifiers are nothing but the names given to the constant, variables, structures, union, and functions. They are the user-defined words. Some of the rules for naming as identifiers in C are typed are they must begin with the letters. Only 8 characters are considered as a significant. For ANSI version, ANSI C support 31 characters. They may contain letters, digits, and underscore. Uppercase and lowercase letters are significant. It should not be a keyword. White space is not allowed. For example, we have written sum, fact 1, a underscore 1, comma, dist, etc. are valid identifiers. Constant. Constants are the fixed values that do not change during execution of a program. C++ support several types of constant. Integer a equal to 12, where a is a constant, it is memory location with fixed value 12. Constant refers to values that do not change during the execution of a program. Constants can be divided into two major categories. First, primary constants. Primary constants are that numerical constants. In the numerical constant, we can divide it as integer constant, floating point, or real constants. And then character constant, single character constant, and string constant. All these are primary constant. Secondary constants are that enumerated constant, symbolic constant, array union, etc. are the secondary constant. Rules for declaring constant. Comma and blank space are not permitted within the constant. The constant can be preceded by minus sign if required. The value of a constant must be within its minimum boundary of its specified data type. Decimal notation is a real constant consists of two parts, whole number and a fractional part, separated by a decimal point. For example, we have written 12.34. 12 is a whole part and 0.34 is a fractional part. Or you can also write minus 12.45, etc. Exponential notation is also used. This notation is used for representing either very large or very small numbers. Here a real constant consists of two parts, a mantissa and an integer exponential. Letter E, capital E or small e must be separated in those two parts. Mantissa is a real number in a decimal notation or an integer number. Both mantissa and exponential can have their own separate sign. For example, 2.12e minus 32. We have given that e is an exponential and 2.12 is a mantissa. Like that 0.23 e plus 31, etc. And character constant is that character constant consists of any one C character enclosed between two single quotations. For example, A is written in a single quotation like 9 we have written, and open bracket is also close bracket, like that is a single characters. String constant. A string constant consists of sequence of C characters enclosed between two double quotations marks. For example, if you write as a Bangalore or Mysore or 123 in a double quotation, it will become a string quotation. And then there is a black slash constant. There are special single character constant. Each of the black slash constant consists of two characters and another characters, but the black slash constant is treated as single character. They are used in a output function. Those character sequence are also known as escape sequence. That is \n is a new line, \b for backspace, \0 for the null character, \a for audible alarm or belling, \f for form feed, \v for vertical table, single quotation for single quotation, \r for carriage return, \t for the horizontal table, and to write the \. Data type in C. C language is rich in its data type. It supports the following three basic data types. The instruction to handle them various forms of machine to machine. Data type is one which specify the type or a nature of the data user want to store in the variables. That is char, int, float, double. Assignment symbol equals. An assignment statement is used to assign the value of an expression to a variable. It has general format like this: variable equal to expressions. Operators in C. An operator is a symbol which capable of performing operation in the presence of the operand. That is, a variables or constant. For example, plus is an operator to perform an addition. Operators in C++. An operator is a symbol which capable of performing operations in the presence of operand, that is a variable or a constant. For example, plus is an operator to perform addition. The C all C language data types are used in C++ also. Variables. A named memory location is called variable, or it is an identifier used to store the value of a particular data type in a memory. Since variable name is identifier, we use the following rules which are same as of a identifier. The rules for declaring variables names are: the first character must be alphabet or underscore. It must consist of only a letter, digit and underscore. Identifier may have any length but only a first 31 characters are significant. It must not contain white space or blank space. We should not use keyword as an identifier. Uppercase and lowercase letters are different. Variable names must be unique in the given scope. For example, we can write it as integer. It is a data type a, b, a. It is a and b is valid, but double time a is using is a invalid. Integer a, b are a valid. Variable declaration. While using a variable declaration, declaration of variable gives the name for the memory location and its size and specified the range of a value that can be stored in that location. Definition is name the storage location in memory that hold the data which can be changed during the program execution. Declaration specify the type and name. For example, integer age. Age is a variable of an integer type. Initializing, assigning an initial value. For example, integer a is equal to 25. Age is a variable which has been assigned the value of 25 and that is an integer type. The type of variables. We can declare it as a variables in a local variable, global variable, static variable. Local variable means declared inside a function or a block. Global variables are that declared outside of all functions. Static variables are that retain their value between function calls. Thank you.